unboxing another thing today, and instead of AirPods, it's an iPad. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, but before you do, make sure to subscribe, turn notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into the video. So guys, I have the iPad 6th generation in space gray, as you can see that. Alright, let's get into the boxing. So let's go in the back. Right here, I have my knife here, and let's take out the plastic seal, just like that. Done. And here we go. This is so exciting. Alright, the plastic is off, and here is iPad. Here's the Apple logo on the side. Alright, time to open the box. Come on. It never opens for me. Come on, get out of the box. Okay, it's coming out. Alright. Whoa, this is really beautiful. It's actually really beautiful. Okay, so right here we have the iPad, right here. And under it we have the paperwork and the lightning cable. So, and then we also have the wall adapter that will plug this thing in here. So in here we have instructions and stuff, apple stickers, and that's it. Right, let's unseal the iPad. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. Alright, let's see if it powers on. Oh yeah, it's powering on. Now it's gonna take a long time. Alright, it's powered on, and it's 80%. Alright, I'm gonna end up the video right now. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna love this iPad. This iPad is so cool, and hope you subscribe, turn on notification, and give this video a thumbs up. See ya, guys.